Hi, here we have a Weeden Model 43 electric heated. This is kind of a cheap little engine. It's not like some of their cast-based ones, but we do have to remember that these were toys after all, and probably no one was thinking that we were still going to be running them 70 to 100 years later. But great thing is, a little water, plug it in, and pretty much this is how these engines are. Still running after, I would say this engine is 1940 at the latest. The Weedens run from around 1890 up into the late 40s, I think. I'm certainly not an expert on Weeden engines, but now we're really heating up. There's no throttle control on these. They just run wide out, just flat out as fast as they can run. You can put them on a rheostat or a variac transformer that will lower the voltage, and that'll let you control them. You can run some of these a lot longer if you can turn the voltage down a little bit, and I do that with some of my Jensens, and I can run them for 45 minutes to an hour and still get the output that I want out of them. So you can find those on eBay. You can use a light dimmer, but they don't seem to hold up very well, and some of the bigger steam engines have a 650 watt heater. The light dimmers don't hold up at all to that kind of wattage. So this one's only rated 250 watts, but that's at 115 volts. And over the years, the voltage keeps increasing, so we're running about 125 volts, and that increases the wattage to 291 at the moment. So they're actually probably heating up a little quicker and running a little faster than they did originally. So there we have it, little Weeden Model 43. You can see the whistle's bent just a little bit. It's one of the things that happens if you buy a steam engine on eBay and it has a whistle. It's a good thing to do is to ask the seller to remove the whistle for you before he ships it. That's usually how they get crushed and bent. So you can see another Weeden in the background there, another earlier electric cast iron base, and we already ran that. That's in another video. Thanks for watching my video.